We start tonight with a devastating story out of the Bronx, where the father of slain teen Emery Meisel is fighting back, launching a massive $50 million lawsuit against Meta and the New York City administration for children's services over his daughter's tragic death. This is a deeply personal battle, exposing serious questions about oversight and social media safety in our communities.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we shift gears to the global tech battleground, as Meta Platforms faces a major legal challenge in Luxembourg. The company has lost its fight against an Italian regulatory order demanding compensation for publishers who use snippets of their news articles for AI training, highlighting the intense copyright and compensation wars raging between tech giants and content creators. Then we dive into the cutting edge of artificial intelligence as Threads rolls out a massive new feature. Threads is currently beta testing a Meta AI integration that mimics Grok, allowing users to mention Meta AI in posts to get real-time context and recommendations, putting the platform squarely in the race to become the central hub for information. And finally, we look at the future of conversational AI with the Threads integration. Discover how users can now ask Meta AI questions about everything from the World Cup to local sports, and find out how this new feature is reshaping how we consume information online. Stay with us right now for all the breaking news. In a significant legal action, the father of a slain Bronx teenager has filed a $50 million lawsuit against Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, and the New York City Administration for Children's Services, alleging their combined negligence contributed to his daughter's death. Emery Meisel, a 15-year-old, was stabbed to death outside a Soundview apartment building in May 2024 while returning home from school. Police subsequently arrested a girl in foster care and charged her with the murder. The Meisel family contends that the incident stemmed from severe online bullying. Meisel stated that his daughter had informed him that the suspect had been bullying her about another friend on Instagram for approximately 1 month. His lawyer, Mark David Sherian, further detailed the severity of the situation, asserting that the perpetrator was not only calling his client names on social media, but was also making explicit threats, including statements suggesting intent to stab his daughter if she saw her. Meisel criticized the school for failing to address the issue, claiming the school stated the alleged bully was not attending school, which resulted in no parent meeting or intervention. Meta responded by stating that the platform removes threats of violence upon awareness, and that teen accounts are subject to strict messaging settings. However, the lawsuit specifically targets the NYC Administration for Children's Services, ACS, claiming that the agency failed to intervene despite clear warning signs of escalating violence, particularly since the suspect was under ACS supervision while in foster care. The Meisel father asserted that he believes his daughter's death was preventable, stating he is pursuing the lawsuit because he does not want others to experience similar trauma. The legal action also names the landlords of the building where the stabbing occurred and the legal guardians of the 15-year-old. In response to the lawsuit, a spokesperson for ACS confirmed that the agency is reviewing the case with the law department. A father of a slain Bronx teenager has filed a significant lawsuit, alleging that Meta and the city of New York are responsible for the tragic incident. The lawsuit is valued at $50 million. This legal action places the focus on potential accountability from major technology platforms and local authorities following the death of the young man. Meta Platforms has lost its legal challenge concerning compensation owed to Italian publishers for the use of snippets from their news articles, following a ruling by Europe's top court. The decision sided with the Italian telecoms watchdog, establishing a precedent regarding the remuneration online platforms must provide for using press content. This outcome highlights the intensifying copyright disputes between publishers, content creators, and technology firms, particularly concerning the use of newspaper articles and authors' work for training artificial intelligence models, which has led to litigation involving Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic over alleged infringement. The Luxembourg-based Court of Justice of the European Union, CJEU, affirmed that a right to fair compensation for publishers aligns with EU law, provided that this payment serves as consideration for allowing their publications to be used online. The dispute arose after Meta contested the Italian Communications Authority, AGCOM's authority, to determine the compensation online platforms should pay for utilizing press articles. Meta had argued that such national regulations conflicted with existing rights granted to publishers under EU copyright legislation. The case, identified as C79723 Meta Platforms Ireland, Fair Compensation, saw the Italian court seek guidance from the CJEU. A Meta company spokesperson stated they would review the decision fully and engage constructively as the matter returns to the Italian courts. Threads is rolling out a new Meta AI integration designed to provide users with real-time context and recommendations directly within the application, mirroring features seen on platforms like X's Grok. The feature allows users with public accounts to mention Meta AI in posts or replies to solicit contextual information. This beta test is currently underway in several regions, including Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, Argentina, and Singapore. Meta stated that the integration aims to help users stay informed about trends and breaking news while engaging in conversations. Users can now pose questions such as, "Why are people talking about the World Cup this month? Whose Met Gala looks are trending right now?" Or, "How are the Knicks doing in the playoffs?" Meta AI will process these queries and respond as a public reply authored by the @Meta AI account, tailoring the response to the language of the original post. By embedding this AI functionality, Threads is aiming to transform the platform from a simple chat destination into a comprehensive source for information and recommendations, eliminating the need to navigate away for external answers. The functionality draws inspiration from Grok's role on X, where users frequently ask AI chatbots for verification or explanations. While acknowledging the inherent risks associated with AI-generated content, Meta emphasizes that its Meta AI implementation includes stronger safeguards compared to previous iterations, though the long-term safety remains under observation. Users have control over the visibility of these responses, with options to mute Meta AI, utilize the Not Interested feature on specific posts, or hide direct replies. Meta confirmed that the company is committed to learning from early user feedback to refine the experience before expanding the integration further.